How to check your Sephora gift card balance. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can check your Sephora gift card balance, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to check your Sephora gift card balance, all you have to do is just go to sephora.com, and once you go to sephora.com/beauty/gift cards, which I will make sure to drop a link below, you will land on this official website. Now when you land on this website, if you scroll down here, you'll find the option known as check your balance. So all you have to do is simply make sure to enter the card number and also make sure to enter the PIN. Once you enter your card number as well as your PIN, you can tap the check option that you can find here in order to check your Sephora gift card balance. This way you will be able to check your Sephora gift card balance. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.